In a previous tutorial, I have explained how to use the package administration on a desktop. This tutorial is about how to use the package administration on a PDA. This is particularly useful for users which do not have access to a PC or when the PC is not close by. When you have a PDA which has been configured by Florisoft, you should find a shortcut to the Florisoft server. From there, if you double tap on that shortcut, you should be logged on to the server and automatically you should be logged on into Florisoft. If that isn't the case, contact the support desk or your consultant and they can help you to configure the PDA. So let's head over to my PDA and I will show you how the package administration can be used. In front of me I have the desktop of the PDA. There I will find the Florisoft shortcut. When I double tap that, I will be logged on to the server. As you can see, I will not be logged on automatically onto Florisoft. So here I find the shortcut to the Florisoft application, double tap it, and then you will get the logon screen to be able to log on into Florisoft. Type in your credentials, and here you will find the Florisoft PDA layout. As you can see, it has 4 different tabs, each with a couple of icons, and each icon is a shortcut to other functionality. The package administration can be found on the first tab. Tap on the Pack Admin and the package administration screen will be opened. To register some packages, incoming or receiving, you should start by entering a data number in the data number field. As you can see, you will get the on-screen keyboard. You can tap it or you can use the keyboard on your PDA itself. If I tap on the CR button, everything will be removed. If I tap the back button, it will remove the last character. If I tap on OK, I will use this input. If you don't know the data number by heart, you can tap on this little button with the 3 dots and you will get the search index. In this search index, you can scroll through the list, or even faster, you can type in the fast search column what you know about this data number, data name, doesn't matter. If I type in test, I will present it with the list. Double tap and the data number will be entered in the data number field. Optionally, you can enter an order number. The date you can choose is the registration date. So if you have given out some packages yesterday, then you select yesterday's date. A division can be chosen and the division is something you will see back in the package administration reporting. So it's optional. If you want to see if this data has anything on a current invoice, tap on the Invoice tab. As you can see, it has 2 issued lines and 1 collected line. If you want to register some packages, you go to the Standard tab, so tap on it. And now you can enter some pieces. First, you have to choose if it's collect or issue. As long as you have not entered any pieces, you can switch between collect and issue. And when I enter a quantity, number of pieces, I cannot switch. Enter the package code. And you see the delivered will change because I have chosen issue. If you want to print a packing list about this registration, you tap, if it hasn't been set up, on the setup packing list and you will present it with the configuration screen for the printer. Select the printer which has been configured for this PDA, select the layout and activate the printer. If the activate button is not active, nothing will be printed. And optionally, you can print to a file as well. Click on OK to confirm the changes. So when I click on OK, these buckets will be put on the invoice. This system has been configured that the packages will go to an invoice first before they go to the package administration. There are a couple of possible configurations which I explain in the tutorial about the package administration on a PC. I will link to that video up there and in the description down below. I will type in the data number again and I go to invoice. As you can see, the buckets which I have entered will be added up by the packages which are already on the invoice on this line, as you can see. So I want to register some collected lines as well. So 15 pieces of bucket 566. As you see, the collected number will change. I tap on OK, enter the data number again, go to invoice. And here you will find the 15566 buckets. This is how to use the package administration on a PDA. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact the support desk or your consultant, and they can help you to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.